Hello, everybody. It's Thomas. It's about 2 p.m. Monday, December 5th, 2011, and I'm just going to give a quick update on the storm system that is currently passing just to the southeast of St. Louis. This is the current radar data out of St. Louis, KLSX, and as you can see, rain and a little bit of snow mixture here on the far northeast sides of this area of precipitation is falling across central and southern Illinois, southeast Missouri, but it's not getting up to St. Louis. This trend will continue through the rest of the day, and I expect very little, if any, in the way of precipitation to fall. If anything falls, it will be in the form of flurries, and yeah, pretty much just flurries, and that's it. If this area of precip was shifted 30 miles more to the northeast, we would be receiving some snow at the moment, but it's not, and that is not going to happen most likely. This is just a quick update on the upper level features that are in play for the system. This is the main storage system right here. As you can see, it is starting to race off to the northeast and move quickly out of the area. There's a nice little dry punching in behind the storm system, which is pretty much the main reason why we are not getting any precipitation. The air, I looked at the sounding, and the air just above the surface is pretty dry at the moment, which is why you had such a sharp cutoff in precipitation right now. The sounding is the atmospheric profiler. It shows the temperature, dew points, winds all throughout the atmosphere from the surface where the weather balloon was released all the way up to where the weather balloon pops. You get the temperatures and dew points and all that kind of information on it. And I looked at it, and it's pretty dry above the surface right now. This system will move out this evening, and tomorrow will be a more improved day. Hopefully won't be as windy. It's going to be cold the next few days. It's temperatures are not going to warm up. It's going to be chilly. Temperatures will be in the upper 20s, low 30s next couple days. You might see 35, 36, but mostly in the lower 30s for the rest of the week. Yeah, because we're going to be in northwest low. I'll show that in here in a second. Over here on the left is a visible satellite image. There are some breaks in the clouds, as you can see, but it's pretty cloudy outside. You don't have to be a rocket science to figure that out. But these clouds will be moving out of the area, probably the next 24 hours or so. You'll start seeing more sun on Wednesday, especially. And this is the 300 millibar chart. This is about 30,000 feet, so about cruising altitude for our airplanes. And you can really see the jet stream on this one. I mean, these wind bars, these triangles represent 50 knots of wind bars. If you see 2 or 3 of them on one bar, you mean the winds are pretty strong. They're blowing from about 100 to 160 knots right now, which is about 115 miles an hour to 180 miles an hour. So if you're in a plane and you're flying in this direction, you'll be in pretty bad turbulence if you plan on flying next couple days or so. This is a surface map showing this is a model. This is a GFS model showing what the surface temperatures and pressures and wind speeds. And I picked out Friday because it's just to show that the cold air is not going to go anywhere anytime soon. This is for 6 p.m. on Friday evening. And you can see that temperatures, this model is showing temperatures only in the upper 20s. For Friday at 6 p.m. and you can pretty much guarantee that throughout the rest of the week. Things are not going to change much temperature-wise. We're going to be cold. It's going to be chilly at night. Lows in the upper teens, lower 20s, especially the upper teens in areas like outside the city, say to Chesterfield Valley or Jefferson County, Franklin County, areas outside of metropolitan areas, the major metropolitan part of the city. And you're going to only receive highs in the 30s. As I said earlier, and that's just going to be the way of life this week. We'll see some clouds around for the next 24 to 36 hours, but the sun will come out, especially on Wednesday. And the winds will die down as well. It's not going to be as windy come Wednesday when the system finally moves out of the area. So that's just a quick update on things. I'll be back tomorrow, hopefully, maybe, depending on what things look like, but if not, I'll be back Wednesday to give an update get the first weekend update. All right, see ya.